Here's a Toastmaster box fan that I got several years ago from fellow YouTuber The Fan Mower Man. This is actually my first Toastmaster box fan I'd ever gotten, and this one's a brown one. I nicknamed this the Rust Master because it's got a lot of rust on it, especially on the bottom. The bottom of it's got holes going through the frame, so I don't plan on restoring this one. I kind of like the patina look on it, so yeah. Anyway, this will be a revisit to the fan, because I think I made a video on it long time ago, but I can't really remember. I've had this fan probably at least 7 years now. But yeah, we'll start it up on low. Oh, give me just a minute. Let's see something. Oh, she seized. Oh yeah, she's locked up. Well, alright, well, I'll come back with another video. Till then.